how to transfer your information to Google Docs on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information to Google Docs on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now go down into your file settings and privacy, and then here click settings, and now go down, and here you will find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and then just click next and click Google Docs and just manage here until you want, and then click next. And now all you need to do is just connect with your Google Docs, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and then see you in the next video.